Hello everyone, we're glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can block words on Twitter. So in order to do that, whether you are at the mobile app or desktop twitter.com version, website to put it in other words, go into settings by tapping on your avatar picture at the top left corner, settings and privacy. In here go for the privacy and safety, on words open the mute and block page, muted words, and in here just add the word that you would like to mute. So let's say I'll mute the word kitchen. In here you can manage the preferences for this word, so you can mute it from home timeline, notifications, anyone from people you don't follow, and set the duration that it will be muted for. After that, tap on the save option and the word has been successfully muted. You can also mute the whole phrases, sentences even, if you want to as well. If you would like to remove words from the list of blocked or from the list of muted words, just tap at the edit button over here, select what words you would like to unmute, and tap at the delete button at the bottom right corner. It's pretty much the same process for iOS and Android based devices as well. So that would be it, I suppose. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.